Just west of Moab and across the mighty Colorado River sits the Dead Horse Mesa. As shown in my last video, the only way onto the mesa from Moab is Utah Route 313, which leads to both Canyonlands National Park and Utah's Dead Horse Point State Park. The park, which true to its name, sits on a point overlooking a beautiful bend in the Colorado River as it heads its way southeast to its meeting point with the Green River and Canyonlands. The views here are worth every penny of the entrance fee, as it's hard to come up with a more beautiful spot to overlook the Colorado River. This is one park that is easily accessible by everyone and is a must-stop location when visiting Canyonlands National Park. Dead Horse Point Overlook has a decent-sized parking area and a cement path leading out to the overlook, which, as you can see, does have barriers up to keep people from falling without obstructing any views. Here's a map of the park. As you can see, there are plenty of lookouts for you to enjoy from the mesa top on this point. The point was once used as a corral for wild mustangs that roam the mesa. The story of how this area was named is a sad one and can be read about in the first paragraph of this image. It really is hard to comprehend just how high you are of the flowing waters below. But to help put things in perspective, the thin white lines below are ATV trails and dirt roads. The park has a campground, mountain bike and hiking trails, and plenty of spots to stop and overlook the 2,000-foot sandstone ledge that provides amazing views of everything below. Like I said before, this is very accessible for anyone, and this platform here provides an amazing view that is just pure Utah. If you are feeling adventurous, there are plenty of spots not easily accessible or with barriers that provide plenty of opportunity to capture amazing images or unbelievable videos for you to cherish and or share with the world. It's hard for me to put into words how much I enjoy this park's view. You have the amazing blue of the Utah sky, although this year hazy with wildfire smoke, against the wonderful rusty red of the inhospitable sandstone rock layers. Here are some pictures I took. You can see these images and more in my social links down below. If you do plan on visiting this park, which is open year-round, be sure to plan for the weather of an arid mesa. Summer will be hot and dry, so bring plenty of water. In winter, bring warm clothes and always plan for changing weather. This park sits at around 6,000 feet elevation, so you can get sunburns more easily, winded, or even altitude sickness depending on how your body deals with higher elevations. If able, do spend some time hiking around this area. It's lots of fun and its terrain is very different than where most people visiting live. Even though this area gets very little yearly precipitation, there are cool plants and animals living here. Please don't feed the animals and stay a safe distance away and obey the small list of park rules. You could spend hours or days at the park depending on what activities you wish to enjoy here. This park and surrounding area is a big part of what makes the American Southwest so unique and amazing. Be sure to include this when planning out your Grand Circle tour and or trip to Moab.
Alright, so that's it from Dead Horse Point here in Utah. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more content like this, please hit the subscribe button. Until next time, stay adventurous.